as counting, as far as any decision in the district level, especially when a decision is taken, not only as district head or deputy commissioner, but as the RO, I can't comment anything since they have already notified that section 144 will be imposed during the counting right from morning, I think, till the afternoon, maybe up to 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock like that. So I have nothing to say from the comment side, because we have also left it to the wisdom of the one is RO and number 2 is the district administration. If you see the order of the returning officer, he said the restriction or section 144 will be clamped in the area of that counting, and then restriction of people rushing to the counting is also applicable. Then procession from the counting to any place, it is not at all in fact restricted. What they said is only the procession within this area of section 144, procession will not be allowed. But suppose now if they want to go maybe to the candidate's house or maybe to any place to celebrate or to collect themselves for their winning spree, I think that restriction was not there. In any dedicated place, they can always do. But the returning officer, what he also mentioned in the notification very clearly is no procession is allowed. But it is ended only in that stage. But if you go, maybe the candidate, the winner, only she will declare, hey, please come in that place, Because nowadays, the social media is very fast. They can just say, you win, please, we'll meet there. For example, like in Dr. Amprin's house, people will go there instead of taking in the form of procession. So they'll reach there, they'll congratulate, and then they'll do the honor everything.